Okay, we're going to start the N3FJP field day log. I've downloaded it and installed it. And of course, I'm using Windows 7 on this one, so that's going to be a little tough. But let's go ahead and start the field day log. Splash screen comes up for me. All right. And of course, the first thing we do is make sure that these fields are filled out for the clubs NE1FO and latitude, longitude. We can get that a little closer, but the class is required here, and the ARRL section of New Hampshire is, of course. Then enter in your call sign as the operator and your initials as the login operator. If you wanted to get these latitude, longitude a little closer, you'll have to go to, you know, Google or use your phone or something. Doesn't really matter, but okay. So here we have the empty database, and let's just say that we go ahead and we have at least one call sign in there. I'll just do my fake one, 1 Delta in New Hampshire, and I just hit OK. So now I have one record. Of course, it's a total crap because it's way after field day. But the point is now that we have a database. So what you want to do is check this one here under the File menu. Go to Show File Locations. And let me scrunch this down so it fits in the screen better. Okay, and so what you see here is the current open log file. There's my location where it is. And this file right here, the logdata.mdb, is the key. But let me make it a little easier. Well, actually, this is going to be the default. So yours is probably going to be logdata.mdb. So I'm going to just, what I'm going to do is I'm going to open up a folder in my Windows computer here. Oops, sorry. And bring that over. And I just want to locate that same location while I have this little helper file up. So I'm going to go to the C drive down here. C, users. Actually, it's under the documents, isn't it? So, my documents, Affirmatech, N3FJP, ARRL field day, and log data. That's the database. So hold on, don't touch it right now. Just leave this off to the side. Hit done. And I'm going to close that file. I'm going to exit the program. Okay. Now that that file is closed, I can now do yourself a backup. So I'm going to right click and choose copy. And then I'll right click, left click and right click here, paste it back here. All right. So I'm going to call this one here the N1SFT and year 2024. ARRL field day. Okay. So it's a total copy of the logdata.mdb, and that's going to be your default file. This is the one that I just created. And now, very importantly, I'm going to left click, right click, and choose Send to Compressed Zipped Folder. All right, depending on Windows 7 or Windows 11, that may have different words here, but you're ultimately trying to get it to a zip file. Click that. And now I can then just send that to the log guy. Okay, and so I don't know. This might work. I don't know. It'll probably try to fire up Microsoft Outlook or whatever. But so sending that zip file is what needs to happen. So there's that email is. I'm going to send that to me. Okay, N1SFT at ARRL.net and hit send. That's it. That's how you send the log file to me. And but it has to be a zip file. You cannot send the MDB. Outlook won't let it transfer. Okay, I hope that's helpful. I will be in touch later.